What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today we're going to be discussing the 1922 Lincoln Cent. So let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so right here I have my 1922D Lincoln Cent. And if you have this coin with no D mint mark, you have some serious cash on your hands. So some of you may know that the 1922 penny was minted at the Denver Mint, and every coin should have a D on it. If it does not, then they are very valuable depending on the condition. If in the lower grade, your coin could sell for hundreds of dollars. But if in the higher grade, if it is in mint condition, your coin could sell for thousands of dollars, guys. The auction records have shown that the highest sales for the 1922 no D mint mark coin has been in the 5 to 6 figure range, according to PCGS. So guys, please check your coins, see if you have the 1922, and if it doesn't have that D mark, you are in luck. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.